Hi everyone, I'm Manil Kumar, motivational speaker. Today, I would like to speak about upcoming LLB examinations, 3 years LLB and 5 years LLB examinations notifications. Today, we have received notification that the upcoming examinations will be held on 18th October 2021. So the tentative notification have been received from the Karnataka State Law University. So what they will do first, they will collect the fees for the examinations. In the earlier videos, I have discussed about upcoming LLB examinations to be conducted or not. I have told that they will be Karnataka State Law University. They will be going to definitely they will be going to conduct examinations of even semesters. So likewise, received, they have released examination notifications today. The same today I'm going to explain. Until up to October 10th, we have to pay fees for the upcoming examinations, and tentative timetable will be issued by the Karnataka State Law University, Hubli. So my request is all of our students that please do study well for the upcoming LLB examinations. So that is the reason I'm always stressing whether they are going to conduct or not, they will be promote or not. For your knowledge sake, you have to study. So keep on stressing in my videos, in my all videos, that whether they are going to conduct or not, we have to be prepared for the upcoming LLB examinations. So definitely they are planning, they are already planned to conduct examinations. We cannot say whether they'll be going to conduct or not again, because our students, they may do petition for promotion, because already, as you all know, BE degree, all kind of, bachelor degrees have been already promoted from even semesters examinations. So as per UGC guidelines, they have already promoted. So we cannot say after receiving the timetable, the students may put petition on to promote even our LLB upcoming examinations also to promote. But thing is that we need not to worry about that. We have to prepare ourselves for our knowledge purpose. Without your studying subjects, we cannot able to perform after completion of your LLB examinations. My advice is to always we have to study, or whether they are going to conduct, they are not, that up to the university, we need not to bother about it. We have to be study for the upcoming LLB examinations. So today we have received one notifications that also I can share with you all. Provisional registration of examination application forms for 3-year LLB, 5-year BLLB, BA LLB, BBA LLB, BB LLB honors, and LLM examination for regular and repeater batch students to be held during June 2020, in the bracket to be held in October or November 2021. Karnataka State Law University proposes to conduct examinations for fresher students and repeater students of various semesters from 18th October 2021. The following information is provided for the notice for all the students and staff of all affiliated law colleges of Karnataka State Law University regarding the fee structure, prescribed last dates of filing, filling examination applications, submitting them to university and date of commencement of examinations. Further, students are required to fill fresh subjects in one application and all repeat subjects in one application separately, along with requisite fees payable in the college through college login ID. The instructions from 1 to 8 are to be carefully followed along with mandatory instructions. So you can able to see notification received today. This is the notification which we have received from the KSLU, and even we have received the notification for revaluation. That also applications notification we have received today. Who have been failed in the previous examination semesters, for them also they have allowed to make prescribed fees from the Karnataka State Law University. That also you can get photocopy also for your answer sheet. That also you can get it. That also notification today we have received. So my advice is to all our KSLE students, you need not to worry about whether they will be going to conduct or not. That doesn't matter. You have to prepare well for your upcoming examinations. As per my advice and as per my view and thoughts, I have been explained about how to prepare your LLB examinations, how to write your notes, and how to manage your times. So many things have been explained. Oh, thank you very much who have been subscribed to my channel. Around 1600 subs- subscribed already my channel. So please do subscribe my channel so that you will get notification like this. You will get very good videos in upcoming future also. You will receive each and every day. So please do subscribe my channel Anil Kumar KT, LLB coach and motivational speaker. Once again, thank you all who have been watching my videos and sharing. Uh, and also, I would like to request you require any concerns about LLB Karnataka State Law University, you can come back to me with, you can comment in the YouTube channel so that I can explain whichever you doubt. If you have any kind of doubt, please mention there. I comment in my YouTube channel so that I can make video on those subjects. Thank you.